Hey guys, is your sink draining really slowly like this one is? Well, I'm gonna show you how to fix it in less than 1 minute. Let's go. First things first, this lever back here is attached to your stopper. The stopper needs to come out.
Now, if you go underneath the sink in the cabinet, this is what's attached to that lever, and this is what pushes the stopper up and down. But should be attached with this plastic cap right here. Go ahead and take that off by turning counterclockwise.
Okay, now that that's off, you can go ahead and pull this lever off, and as you can see, that's full of gunk. Okay, now with that lever pulled out, you should be able to pull the stopper right out, and oh yeah, there it is, baby. And then you just want to get all this gunk out of here. I like to use these little metal picks because they're really good at reaching down and pulling up a whole bunch of crap. And after you've cleaned out the drain and you've cleaned your stopper, make sure you install it with the hole facing this way, and then it's just reverse process and you are good to go. And that is how to quickly unclog one of those pesky sinks that won't drain quick enough. Thank you guys for watching.